What is up, guys? We are back here with another video today, and today we will be making the best potato you have ever ate. Not clickbait. It will be the best potato you have ever ate if you follow these instructions. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is have a baked potato. You want to poke some holes in it so it cooks throughly. In the microwave. Put it in for about a minute. Okay, and so these are all of our ingredients that we're gonna put in it. We have chicken, sour cream, butter, onion. We have a little bit of avocado. Yeah, that's all. And then of course we have our baked potato. And can you guys please do me a favor, like, subscribe to my channel, and yep. Oh, comment down below how I did. Hope I did good. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you better put it in. Hey guys, you never know. That second may matter sometime. You're joking. Okay. You need a knife, and then you just kind of want to cut it. So, down the middle, open it up, take a fork. Oh boy, okay, it's breaking apart, that's right. It's fine. Okay, wait until you have it like so. Okay, it is steaming. We already warmed up our chicken. I would recommend doing it for about 30 seconds. Okay, so it depends what you want to put on it. I'm going to put butter. You can really put anything on it you want. Just kind of spread the butter around on it, like so. Sour cream. Okay, what you want next is maybe some onion. More onion. Okay, we want chicken, main source of protein. Maybe some avocado. Kind of put some on there. We'll have a little bit, and next thing, maybe some a little bit more onion. I have some black beans here, just I have some black beans here. Sorry, guys. If you want to put some on, you can. Let's see what else we have that we can put on. You can put some salsa on. You can put some salsa on. Oh, you can put some cheese. That's what I was missing. I knew I was missing something. Okay, you just want to open the cheese. Take some, just kind of sprinkle it on like so. And yeah, that's how it's done. Best baked potato. And that's it for today's video, guys. Like I said, like, subscribe, and comment how I did. I think I did a pretty good job. And I'm sure you guys have seen my thumbnail on this video if you're watching it. Pretty cool. Learn how to make one of those. I think that's all for today's video. Yeah, so thanks for watching. And that's it. See you next time.